Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to add a profile photo on TradingView account. So first we're going to open the TradingView app. You guys can find it in the App Store or Play Store. Then next you're going to click on the menu section on the lower right corner. Then next you're going to click on your account. Then click on the pencil button on the top right corner. So as you can see there's the edit photo option. So we're going to click on it. So you guys could choose from your library or take a photo. So I chose this picture, then click on use, then click on save, which is found at the top right corner. So as you can see, we've updated our profile photo. That's how you basically do it. You guys could use this app since it's a very helpful trading app. Make sure to also check our other videos as we've been posting daily. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.